Now we will see that what is the power of plane of the mirror. What is the power of the plane mirror is infinity, 0, 2D or 4D, which is 0. Means the power of plane mirror is 0. Next, a plane mirror reflects a pencil of light to form a real image. Then the pencil of light incident on the mirror is parallel, convergent, divergent, or none of this. None of this. None of none of this. No. It is convergent. Now we will see the light. The light travels from the optically rarer medium to the denser medium. Then what happens? Its velocity decreases. So how the velocity decreases? Because of change in frequency, wavelength, amplitude, or phase. See now, uh, this is the phase. And have you know now what is going on in your mind when you read this question? Then what happens, and which is the correct answer you guess? What is that? Means from optically rarer medium, light travels from the rarer medium to the denser medium. Its velocity decreases. Then because of change in what? Frequency? No. Wavelength? Suppose if the change in wavelength, the velocity decreases? No. Now this answer is wavelength. Due to the velocity decreases because there is a change in wavelength. Now we will see a man having a height 6 meter. What he did, he observes the image of 2 meter of height erect. Then the mirror used is concave mirror, convex mirror, plane, or none of this. The convex mirror is the answer of this. Using this convex mirror, he can see the image which is from here. Now, next we will see the two mirrors are inclined at an angle. Just now we saw the angle of inclined, how it works. In the same manner, the two mirrors are inclined at an angle of 50 degree. Then the number of images formed for an object placed in between the two mirrors. Means two mirrors are taken. They are inclined, whose angle is 50 degree, and the number of images formed is asked for an object which is placed between two these two mirrors which are inclined. So what it will be? It will be 7. Now we will see the another examples. A plain light bulb. A plain light bulb is kept in an two inclined plane of angle 60 degree. Then the number of images formed are. And next is a thick plane mirror shows a number of images filament of an electric bulb. Of this the brightest image is which per second, fourth or last. So now these two examples are homework for you. Now we are seeing the what is the real and apparent depth of a object. From this the sub point is when the object is in the denser medium. What will happen if the object is in denser medium and the another observer is in the rare medium? Means what? Again I will repeat. The object is, what will happen if the object is in the denser medium and the observer is in the rarer medium? Then after that the magnification. In the case of this, the consider a plane. In this, the distance of image of B from the interface is mu2 upon mu1 into h. This from B. This is the point B, and the image of distance of A, that is A dash, from the interface is equal to mu2 upon mu1 into h minus x, and therefore the length of the image is mu2 upon mu1 into x, or we can say that the lateral magnification is m is equal to 1 upon m, and this is the part AB, and here it is the A dash B dash. This much is the h minus x, and from a whole as a whole from starting to here till B it is h. Now we will see the apparent weight at the bottom. Consider a beaker in which the three layers are inserted. First layer is which is very thick, means whole it is colored one, okay, and the upper part means D2, we may say mu1 also, it is somewhat lighter one, and this is totally blank, it is totally white. So what happens at the bottom of this, the apparent weight of the bottom, what we will write as d1 upon mu1 plus d2 upon mu3 plus d3 upon m mu3, sorry, here it is mu3, and so on. This is for the liquid, and then the mu combination is equal to the combination of as a whole, as the layers, the three of the layers of the beaker, mu is equal to apparent, that is equal to d1 plus d2 plus d3 and so on upon d1 upon mu1 plus d2 upon mu2 and plus d3 upon mu3. Then in case the two for the two cases of the liquid, d1 is equal to d2 for the two cases of the liquid, if these are two in which the d1 is equal to d2, then mu is equal to twice mu into mu1 twice mu into mu1 upon mu1 plus mu2. In previous lecture we saw that when the object was in a denser medium and the observer was in the rare medium. And then we saw how the which quantity is greater and what we saw the formula for that, for the height, no, it's sorry, it's depth and all. Now we will see when the object is rare medium in a rare medium and the observer is in the rare rarer medium. Then consider a plane in which the observer is observing. Here it is the observer. He observes that one block is this this block is totally uh, he can see. So the mu is equal to h dash upon h. Here mu is equal to h dash upon h. In this, the real depth is less and the apparent weight is greater. And then d is equal to mu minus 1 into h. Here, this is a O and the observer is observing this object, and then here it is a D which is O dash. This is very darken and this is light one. So this is O dash and here this is O. As a whole it is H dash and this is H. The distance between the this block and the plane. Okay, and this is D. The shift for water is H by 3 and the shift for glass is H